Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located approximately 4 minutes from the Supervalu Supermarket is a very exciting opportunity to occupy 4,000 square feet of this beautiful unfurnished home. This home was built in 2014, located in the very cool and quiet neighborhood of South Ambassador Heights, Smokeyvale, with only 18 homes. The mix of residents includes professionals and returning residents. This home, upper level, master suite, comes with an entertainment and living space, plus two private balconies that offer spectacular city views and entertainment options. The lower level has a lovely foyer and a powder room. There are two bedrooms and a bonus room that can be used as an office. The rooms as AC units. There is also a mud room that can be converted to any other use you desire. Below is the family entertainment and the dining area with the kitchen. There is an enclosed automatic two-car garage, a beautiful garden area to the front and a play area to the back, laundry room, water tank, water heater, security system, and a automatic gate completes the home. This home is in an immaculate condition awaiting you. Please call for viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The monthly rental price for this house is US 2,000 or Jamaican $307,800 to rent this house. Please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.